Remember student A's grades? We boiled them down to 5 numbers: the minimum 10, Q1 30, the median 50, Q3 70, and the maximum 90. But a list is hard to picture. A box plot draws all 5 at once, the center and the spread in one image. Here's how. First, a number line covering the data. Then a box from Q1 to Q3, 30 to 70. Add a line inside at the median, 50. Finally, stretch whiskers out to the smallest value, 10, and the largest, 90. That's a box plot, 5 numbers, 1 picture. Now read it. The box spans Q1 to Q3. The central half, its width is the IQR, 70 minus 30, 40. The line is the median, the center, 50. And end to end, the whiskers give the full range, 90 minus 10, 80. Center and spread in one picture. The real power is comparing. Here's student B, same median, 50. But look how tiny their box is. Next to student A's wide box, you see it at a glance. Their box and whiskers are much shorter. Same center, very different spread. No calculations needed. Let's remember, a box plot pictures the 5-number summary. The box spans Q1 to Q3, the line is the median, and the whiskers reach the ends. Center and spread at a glance.